Okay, so if you're studying abroad, an international bank account is going to be really useful. It'll enable you to spend money in the local currency, get paid from part-time jobs, and also receive money from your family back home. It could also be used to pay for tuition. Now, obviously you have the option to pay via wire transfer from your home bank account. However, this process can be slow and expensive due to poor exchange rates. And foreign exchange rates are really important to consider when opening an international bank account. This is because you're going to need to transfer money from your home account in your local currency to your international student account, which is going to inevitably mean you'll have to exchange currencies. So the accounts that I'll share with you now all use fair exchange rates that are more or less the same as the mid-market rate that you'll see on Monito.com. The Wise multi-currency account is easily one of the best bank accounts for international students. This is because the account is free to open, it charges 0 monthly fees, and gives you local bank account details for all of these locations. And for those studying in the US, you don't need a social security number or proof of residency. But to open an account, you must be a resident of the UK, US, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, Malaysia, Japan, Switzerland, or within the EEA. The Wise account will allow you to make and receive local transfers, so this means that you could pay tuition directly from your Wise account or share the account details with an employer, and you can also use it to spend money in the local currency for free. If you were to receive money internationally from, say, your family abroad, then you could exchange that currency at the mid-market rate and for just a very small fee. And when it comes to foreign exchange, Wise is one of the cheapest. To protect your money, Wise is partnered with large banks such as Wells Fargo and Barclays. This means that in the unlikely event of Wise going bust, your money would still be secure. So we've spoken a lot about Majority on this channel, and that's just because they really have such a great account. Known as the all-in-one mobile bank for migrants, it comes with a number of international features. And if you have a US residency, you can register easily without a social security number. The app comes with a US checking account, a debit card, and a network of fee-free ATMs in the US. It also has this handy feature that gives you free calls to a number of countries. These include Mexico, Canada, and the UK, which is an excellent option for when you need to call home to ask for money. One downside to Majority is that there is a $5 monthly fee, although you do get access to a fee-free overdraft facility, which for a student again could be an excellent option. In the UK, Starling Bank is one of the best online banks, and they're available to international students. You just need to provide proof of UK residency, and for 0 monthly fees, you'll get a complete checking account, desktop and mobile banking, a debit card, and although small, an interest rate of 0.05% on your account balances. There is an overdraft facility available, although you'll be charged 15% EAR, so it's really best you don't use that. One of the main reasons I've picked Starling for international students is because the debit card charges no international transaction fees or ATM withdrawal fees. So this means that you could continue to use it while away from the UK and for free. It also has some really smart tools for budgeting and monthly management, which we all know students could use a little help with. You can also open a free Euro account with Starling, which allows you to hold, send, and receive Euros. So if you have family or friends in Europe, they could send you Euros for free, which you could convert to pounds at the mid-market rate with just a 0.4% conversion fee, which is pretty good. So to register, you'll need a smartphone to download the app and just your passport, university acceptance letter, and student housing address. Revolut is such an impressive app. It gives you access to travel insurance, discounts, multi-currency functionality, and even a marketplace to trade stocks and shares, commodities, and even crypto. I appreciate that this may not be a priority for some students. However, if you are an EU citizen studying abroad in the UK, then Revolut would be an excellent option. You'll get a free account with a European IBAN and a UK account number. So like Starling, you could receive either pound sterling or euros. And similar to Wise and Majority, Revolut is a great tool for international money transfers and currency exchange. So if you have euros that you need to exchange for pounds or vice versa, then you can easily do that within the app and all for a good rate. It's just important when exchanging money with Revolut that you do it between Monday and Friday and not during the weekend, as this will incur a slight fee. Other than that, their fees and exchange rates are great. Although with Revolut, there is no overdraft facility. So I'll link all of the providers I've mentioned in this video below, and we also have specific review videos of each of them. So if you'd like to learn more, then check those out. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.